connect from this end to this end in a curvy way, just in a curvy way. That's the way I am doing it. Connect it like this again from the other end. See, you did the same thing to the other side. You will do the same thing to all the buttonholes you're going to make. Like this one just is example. So just connect it like so, connect it from the other end again like so. This place now, this particular place is where you are going to be sewing your buttonhole. The thread is supposed to be coming to this side and this side, not the straight line. You sew it in a curving way. You sew it this side and this side. You start from this end, you sew to this end, then you turn it like this. You start from this end, sew back again to this end, you turn it again, start from this end, sew it here, you turn it, start and sew it again. You just sew like 3 to 4 times, 3 to 4 times, sew it. So let's go to the machine. Can you see? Very neat, very neat. Wow, imagine, very neat. So you do the same thing to the rest. So this is the second one. Actually, I made this one longer, so you can see that you can still make it long depending on how big your button is. So it will depend on determine the size of the buttonhole you will put. So this is it. This one now, this particular one was 2 lines. I see it two lines, and this one is 3 lines. So you just look at two and tell me which one you think is better. Is it this 3 line